Right, come on then, let's get to this. So there's a bit of a climb, guys, to get into the building, which you'll see in a minute. We have to go up this rather weird ladder here. Yeah, that's safe. So let's get to this. Hey? Oh, just watch your hands on here because there's... God. Here comes Claire. No, I was going to say put your foot on the other side. Oh, watch your head. You're right. Just careful of this floor here because it don't feel right safe. Wow, look at the view there, guys. Hey? Yeah, Claire's just... Oh, we've got a bit of pouring down there, guys. I'm going to have to we'll wash out for this floor here. Oh. Wow. Oh, look at the old wallpaper on here, guys. Very old wallpaper. Anyone give me a time date of that wallpaper? Old cupboard there as well.
Bit old.
Yeah.
Probably asbestos.
Wow, look at the stairs there.
That is very like typical hotel, isn't it?
Yeah.
The green and red.
I'm not gonna go down that way. Bathroom in here.
It smells a bit funny.
Yeah, there's mould in here, and oh, look at the old shower there. That is weird. Very old. Oops, sorry Claire.
I've got my torch, right on.
Can you see now?
Yeah, thank you. Probably would be useful to bring a torch.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I've got bits in here. Look at the toilet there. No shank you.
You could have done with that earlier.
Yeah. Well, I won't want to use that one, no shanks. Oh, look at... I thought I found a bit of a leg there, look.
Oh, wow.
But it's not, it's... careful on here because it's all a bit... Oh, wow, look at that room. Wow.
This is a little find, isn't it?
I wonder what that one was. See if we can get into there, guys. Yeah, maybe. Well, look at this shoe over here. This is... looks like a bowling shoe. Yeah, look at that fireplace there as well. Oh yeah, the old design of the floor there. Mosaic. Yeah, those windows are nice, like windows like them. The old panel walls as well, wooden panels, I love that. What's this here? Scaitcliffe Hotel, Dave Simpson and Diane Whiteley, 24th of May 2008, date 13th of 5th 2008, adults wedding breakfast, select choice, champagne for toast, bowls of house wine, water with meal.
Is anybody here? Can you make your presence known?
Total £790. Whew, expensive.
Could you tap on that?
Yeah, we've got even more here. Wedding contract. Hey, we've got a wedding contract. Same people.
Wedding contract.
Signed 3rd of December 2007. Wow. But be careful, we'll have to edit this out.
Yeah.
Or, well, blur it out. Wow, yeah, this is how to get into that room. Look at the old massive door frames here. These I love. Oh, careful of it in here, 'cause the floor.
It's no longer a floor.
Yeah, there's like holes and...
Those stately kind of wooden boards that they used to have.
Yeah, wooden panelled walls. Look at the old wallpaper as well, striped green.
Bit of random graffiti.
God, it's so humid in here as well. Oh, there's a basement. This goes down. Look at that. I wonder where this goes. Oh, that's them stairs feel. Oh, they, yeah. Wow, look at that.
Storage room.
That I'm guessing, yeah. Looks like it would have been at one time an office. We've got
Yeah.
CCTV and stuff. What that?
You don't know.
Yeah, I did.
Experience.
There's no. Oh, it's a wine cellar.
Alarm posts. It's going to be noises in the wine cellar.
We've got the wine cellar.
It's very cool. Is anybody down here with us?
Broken bottle. Well, I think that was champagne at one time, probably.
Which gives us cider, if not alone.
Ah, baby sham. Wow. Actually, I love this. And you've got all the labels here, look.
What was that?
I heard something outside then. Oh well. Oh, look at that. Claire. Hook on. Oh, what's this? Wine list.
Ooh.
Don't know if you can make it out, guys, because it's like misty down here, but
Menu in it.
yeah.
Old menu. Nice.
Probably another one there.
Older.
All the old till rolls on here, look, as well. That's a random thing. What's that for? Stirring your wine with? Or wiping your mats? Yeah, very, very dodgy.
Definitely a bit eerie.
It is just very eerie. Oh, careful at the floor in here. Look at these old doors here. Massive, massive doors. Yeah, it's all like the old wooden sort of lined floor. It's not actual proper wood, which is a shame. Look at the old wallpaper along there. Wow.
Very dilapidated.
Wow, look at that old marble fireplace. Solid marble. Still with the coals in it as well.
It's very disconcerting how that glass is just there.
Yeah. Well, someone would have been in, like another explorer, and they'd done a photo shoot sort of thing.
That's really good.
Right, what's this one? Some Vex on here. I can't make that one up because someone's ripped it. Penguin Explorers. Oh, Penguin Explorers.
What was that? You?
Yeah, me.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
What, doing that?
Yeah.
Me just trying to make Claire jump again. I'm a speciality at that one. Oh, look at the floor in here, guys. It's just completely gone because of all the dampness and mould and.
What this could be?
This one.
Downstairs room.
Quite possibly. Wow, got a bit of the architrave up there still. Just make it out there. We're coming around that side as well.
There's a lot of mould in here, so it's probably not a good idea to stay too.
No, black mould's horrible. And I ain't got my mask with me either.
Ooh.
Oh, careful at the floor here, because it's just like completely gone. Yeah, that's pretty wrecked still. Yeah.
Wardrobe.
Wow, still got haggers in it.
Like gold dust have got coat houses on.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna straight at wall. If you want to come up. So, if you're feeling a move. Yeah, but still, because it's all crumbling. Stay hooked at wall.
Banisters and then we used to.
Yeah. I'm gonna. Oh wow. Oh, this floor feels very, very. Oh, cupboard. I'm not going any further into that room, guys, because it's just
Yeah, it's all used.
Oh man, no, I'm not going any further than this. Look at that. I really want to get across there, but I'm not going to go. Because that beam there looks
That's the old wallpaper again.
all horrible, and look at the old thing there as well. Hey?
That room looks even worse.
I'll go in first and... Oh. Yeah. Nice room actually.
Another fireplace, I like the fireplace.
Yeah, that's got like green marble. Green marble on
Those
it.
windows.
Yeah, I do. I love them sort of windows.
I can imagine it being quite a grand hotel at one time. It's a shame.
Yeah, and this would have been like a nice stately room, I reckon.
Yeah. All the ivy going through the
Windows.
brambles or something.
That's a one for a nice shot, is that?
Yeah.
Ooh, I just saw that one move. Ugh. And we walked across that earlier. Ooh, this one feels very dodgy, so careful with it. Oh man, look at all the black mould on the walls here. And like I said earlier, guys, I haven't got my mask on me, so I'm not going to spend too long in here. Wow, that's a nice colour for a fireplace. That like purpley coloured.
Yeah.
And that's what I like as well, guys. Over there, if you can see it, got all the green algae, natural decay. That's what I like. Wow, look at this arch. That arch is spectacular. Wow, goes all the way around. Wow, that's nice. God, I'm actually starting to feel that stuff now. Actually,
Yeah.
starting to get a bit like lightheaded.
Toilet.
Yeah. Again, no thank you will I use that one. Oh! Yeah.
Just heard something.
Where?
Massive fucking. What the hell? What's going on?
Where did you hear it?
What happened to the light?
I don't know.
Like a big noise, isn't it?
Where?
Down there, that way.
Oh, down the stairs.
Yeah. Like someone's opened the door.
Where there? Where there? There's no one there. It might have been that other door closing because it's on the spring.
There's something in the building.
There we go. So yeah, have you seen this on the floor down here?
What?
A bit of the scones architraves there.
No.
I like it when I see stuff like that. That's just yeah. Oh, is that? Yeah, that's the other room that we came into. Oh wow, look at that. Oh look at that. That green tube up there from a hamster cage. Right, we can make it out there, guys.
Making a bit excited.
Yeah. My old flash will.
Playing cards.
Sounds like my old flash warrior. What is it? Sort of cards? Is it? Look at the player on your left and ask yes or no.
I just love those buildings. Windows buildings.
I was going to ask a question there, but I'm not going to because it would be exactly. Oh, this bit feels a bit. Oh wow! Right, walk on this door because the floor's gone. I don't think you should risk going up there.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going any further into this one than this because.
You can go for hotels. There's been a hotel cat.
Yeah, look at that old railings there, guys. Well, alt flooring here looks so dodgy, so I'm not gonna. Oh, and it's hell of a drop and that bit's going.
Okay. On your door.
Tell you what,
Wow.
Claire,
Yeah.
don't follow me up here.
No.
fact, it feels pretty solid actually.
Is it?
Yeah. Just keep one hand on it really, just in case. And take it steady. Wow. And it's not a chair that's chilling, it's a toilet that's chilling.
I'll press scroll back.
Yeah. What a.
A little bit more.
Oh, now this bit's looking a bit very dodgy. So
So looking on this, isn't it? It's got to be that at you, isn't it?
yeah, this is. Oh, we've got discs and all sorts in this cupboard here. Porn magazines and all sorts in there. Oh, right, I'm not going any further than this because this room looks very dodgy. With yeah, wow, that's a nice skylight. Nice roof, ceiling as well. Hang on, see if I can. Yeah, get on the beam. What a weird place for a burglar alarm.
What a weird place for porn magazines, like all places to.
Yeah. Yeah, very weird place for a burglar alarm system there.
Be nice to be out there, but I ain't going to see.
No. Right, I want to get out of this bit because it's feeling pretty dodgy and.
I think I should get out soon anyway, because
Yeah. Yeah. Just take it nice and steady down here though. Yeah, we came this way. Jesus Christ.
What's your complicated ones?
Yeah, did we? Yeah, we came this way.
That is what we came.
Yeah. Wow, look at that old window.
Shot from that side.
Hey?
So, yeah, amazing shot from this side with the banister window.
Yeah. The old metal railing there.
It's very prestigious.
That is nice. They'll probably continue with that sort of pattern all the way up.
I don't know where it is that door.
Yeah, I don't know.
Must be in that point,
Yeah. Yeah, I think we've done everything in here, I think. I wonder if that'd be an easier way to get out. Hey. Yeah, we've been up there, that's that bridge. That's that bridge. Right, watch that screw there. There.
The screws don't get on.
No. Ah. Oh, look at that. That's a nice door, is that?
Some pictures of outside.
So we've actually explored inside, guys, but I know that there you go. Right, I'll give you my bag as well. Okay, bag as well. There we go. Just be careful at sharp bits, and when you come in.
Can you hold it?
Hang on. Move my bag out of the way. When you come in, there's a bit of wood at the top there. You can grab hold of that. But watch your hand on it.
Where?
Just that top there. Don't grab this bit though, because it's
What am I grabbing hold of?
the wood.
This?
Yeah.
That's not carry something.
Come on, Claire, you can do it.
Maybe not that one.
No, don't grab that. Just watch your.
Can deal with that. Thank you. Still got in. Apparently the tank is still in. Very tight.
Oh, they look like new beams up there, you know.
They do, don't they?
Yeah.
I wonder if they're anything.
Don't know. They've done a good, tried a good job at sorting this out. Look, putting all these up. Oh, hang on.
Friggin' here.
There we go.
Did you hear that?
I didn't hear that.
You didn't?
No.
If that was you, could you do that same ladder?
I'm not going to walk across that because that's like just completely gone. Wow. That's over at one of the houses.
Outside.
That?
I wonder if that was no swimming pool.
Yes, it will have been, because look at see the orange things over there?
Yeah.
Down here at walls. You've got the big pipes at the bottom.
Wow.
And you've got the steps here as well.
That was obviously the leisure room.
Yeah. And that'd have been like the main way in.
Yeah. So it's probably going to be...
Yeah, don't walk on that bit though, Claire, because that looks seriously gone. Ooh, a big drop.
Wow. I wonder if that was a lift shaft.
Potentially.
Something to get excited about.
Yeah, I love my lift shafts. Oh look, someone's been changing already to go swimming, look.
Oh wow.
Shall we go swimming?
Yeah, I know, I've been posting for a while. For a week. Oh wow.
Oh look, they left their kecks down there as well.
They've left a dog bed and a blanket. And a pillow.
It's obviously squatters,
Yeah.
so I'm not going to spend too long in here.
No, that's what I was thinking.
I want to get down to that other level, but there's no way down. You know, down to this one.
Yeah.
To pool. But it looks like there could have been at one point.
School that I went to in Bradford.
Yeah.
There's no water in that one.
Well, if that one's still abandoned, we'll go again.
It's crazy because there's not much
No.
like clothes in the room that's still bathroom.
Yeah.
It's obviously accumulated over a long time.
Might have seeped in through ground. But is there anything?
Interesting.
There's nothing down that one. No, just dead end. So that's weird. Right, so
You saw that?
back out we go. You,
Much else to see here.
well, there's like a barn thing over there.
Have a look at that if you want.
Yeah. So you'll back out first. And here goes Hairy Claire. See, I haven't forgotten. Hey, Claire. I'll give you my camera as well. Still recording. Oh.
Swing. Watch your head.
Good job, I'm flexible. Right, I'll take the bag. Thanking you. God, I've got a midge right up my nostril then. Through the jungle we go. See, I reckon that this, they'd have actually,
Bit of machinery everywhere.
yeah, they might have come in through that door there, or through that one to the pool.
Yeah.
Machinery, where we're looking for? Well, that white thing,
Yeah.
that's the caravan.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, groundwater. I like that one. See if we can zoom in, guys. And guess what? The old troughs there for animals. And we have a chair just, well, that one's actually really chilled out. That's really chilled. I wonder if I take the handbrake off, do you reckon it'll roll? Well, look, you've still got the spanner thing there for legs on corners. And I'm guessing that would have been an... Eh? Yeah. Well, it looks in better.
Stables for the machinery over there with the pipes and stuff.
No, that's the gas supply thing for it. That's the stables thing. But yeah, I think this caravan, what do you reckon, guys? Leave a comment down below if you think that this caravan looks better than the one in the Top Gear episode, where Hammond, Clarkson and May burnt the caravan down in half at campsite. Imbeciles. Yeah. No, I didn't see another way in. I really wanted to get down to the bottom. No. And there's... Yeah. Just gonna scope this out, see if there's a way into this one. Oh, I thought I saw someone then. No. There's me making myself jump. Thought I saw someone through bushes then.
What were it?
Just a leaf blowing. Yeah guys, look at that. Them old wheels on the wall there. And there's absolutely no way into that one, so that's a bummer. General waste. Well, there's plenty of it around here. Yeah. So I'm just going to take a photograph from back here. And well guys, that's the end of that one. Quite a sketchy place, to be honest. Quite a lot of floors we're going through, so pretty dangerous. But yeah, pretty cool all the same. Some pretty nice architecture in there and stuff, so yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.